This is your sample video to hear how it sounds as well as to see how everything sounds and works.
Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use AirPlay on your Roku TV. If you're interested in this TV or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We have our Roku TV powered on right here. The first thing we have to do is go into our system settings. So the fastest way to get there is just to press up on the remote control, select settings, and now we have to browse for our Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. You can go down, or again, if we go up, it's just a couple less clicks. So here we go, Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. Select it. This is going to take us into AirPlay right here, where we have all of our individual options. So here's AirPlay. Turn it on if it's not on already. You can choose the code settings you want, first time only, every time, or use a password instead. We also have our reset options there. Then we have subtitles and captioning, and we can learn more about AirPlay right here. Now the rest of this is pretty simple. Let's go to an iOS device and actually start playing it on our TV. So I'm using an iPhone here. I have a video pulled up that I want to AirPlay on this TV. So in the bottom left-hand corner, choose the share icon, come down here, and then select AirPlay. Your next option is to choose the correct TV. In this case, it's the 42-inch on Roku TV. We'll be prompted to enter the code that you see on the screen. So 4558. We hit OK. And here we go. This is what it's going to sound like if you're going to use an iOS device to AirPlay to your Roku TV. This is your sample video to hear how it sounds as well as to see how everything sounds and works. So it's that simple. You can control it and play it back right from your device. This is what it's going to sound like if you're going to use an iOS device to AirPlay to your... It's very fast and responsive. Everything works great. It really is just that simple. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more great TV and monitor content. If you didn't like this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs down, and share it with somebody that you don't like. I don't care if it's a school bully, maybe it's a coworker you don't like, a frenemy, whatever it is, go ahead, share the video with them. Lastly, please join our Discord server as well, and send me a picture of your main TV setup. I'd love to see it.